Hi, welcome. Simon here. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be replacing the screen on an HP laptop. Let's take a look at the model here. If you take a closer look, the model is 14 dq0035DX. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is to go ahead and remove the bezel. To remove the bezel, I'll be using a metal prying tool to go in between that screen and the bezel to cut open that adhesive. So there's this double-sided tape that is taping down the bezel, which you need to go and open it up to cut it open. Okay, at this point, what you want to do is making sure you're not cutting the internal part of the cables. So you might want to be very careful when you cut it. So there is a black tape right there. So that black cover is supposed to be stay on the screen, and then the bezel shouldn't have anything on it. Okay, as I was referring to the black little tape, it is coming from the screen. So the screen, it has this black tape. If you peel the black tape together with it, then you expose the LCD internal part of it. So when you cut that adhesive, the double-sided tape, that piece of black tape supposed to belongs to the LCD screen. Okay. All right, at this point here, what you want to do is kind of push it away, because the blue cover here does not be part of the bezel. They are separate. Okay, once the bezel is removed, you can see that the tape I was referring to is the LCD, the black one, right? So making sure when you cut it, you want to cut it on top of this, not underneath of this. And that would remove away from the bezel LCD. Okay, when you're done with that process, the next step is to go ahead and pull that double-sided tape, because the laptop is not, the screen is not being screwed into it, it is being taped onto the top cover. So there's this little double-sided tape here, the sticky tape. I'm using my tweezer, get underneath it, give it a couple turn, get a good grip of it, and then start pulling. This black tape here is the one that is holding down the LCD screen. Okay, you want to do the same on the other side of it. Okay, once you have pulled the two string adhesive tape, you can tilt the screen towards your body, so tilt it down towards you. And there's this little tape right here. Go ahead and remove that. You're gonna peel it back. You're gonna reuse the tape because the tape helps to hold that LCD connector. So you're gonna reuse the tape, just put it on the side. there's another tape here which is holding down the LCD connector, so that tape has to be peeled back, and you want to slide that cable away from your body. So slide it out and the LCD screen will just come right off. At this point here, you want to take a closer look to identify the model. It says B140XTN07.3. If you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen, please check the link down in the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find this replacement screen and you can order it from there. Also, you do need to have this double-sided adhesive tape. This is a 3mm, which means the width of the tape here. So you need to order this and to re-tape it again. So what you want to do is you want to remember how we remove it from the side here. So that is the gap where you want to give yourself this little tape, some space right here. So stick out a little bit so the next time the person would know where to pull the tape from, and then just give it a tape right all the way to the top of the laptop. Once you tape it down, okay, once you tape it down like such, it is ready to go. And let's assume this is the new screen that just came in. So you want to do the reverse process. Ultimately, you want to slide that cable back into the 30-pin connector. This is 30-pin, 30-pin connector. Slide it in and then tape it down. Remember this piece of thing, just kind of hold them back together. Tape it back together. Okay, go ahead and peel off this little double-sided tape here. Once you peel the thing off, you're going to do it on both sides, left and right. Okay, I'm not going to do it on mine because this is just a demonstration here. So once you have both of the tape ready, go ahead and install it. Very simple. Slide it back in and then close it down. Make sure you match the board on the top left and right, and then kind of press it in for the tape to hold it. Okay, once you have done with that process, the next step is to handle the bezel. What I like to do is I like to making sure that here matches the bottom, the blue first. So we're going to slide it in, give that a little push and tuck in. So this might take a couple of try because it's not that easy to slide it back in. Okay, once everything is in, this is when you're going to lock it back together. Okay, once you have that thing done, go ahead and realign the bezel and then clip it down all around it. And that should do. Alright, if the bezel is not taping it down again, you might want to use a smaller size, meaning that you will probably get the 2mm and then re-tape it again, and that should help to hold the bezel. And again, I just want to point it out, if you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen or the tape, please check the link down in the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find a replacement screen. And also, if you do find this video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. And if you want to show appreciation to support the channel and my work, obviously you can click on YouTube Super Thanks. I appreciate the gratitude. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your repair. Until next time, see you then. Bye.